In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy Google Stitch files to Figma. Now, there's two ways. I'm going to show you the quick one and then a bit slower one, okay? Now, the first thing you can do, of course, is use the quick way, and this is great if you want to just basically export individual pages like this one. So you want to right-click and you want to click on Export over here, and then you have a bunch of different options. You want to click on Figma and you want to click on Convert. Now, when you do this, it's going to start loading for a bit. Usually it's quite quick, and you can just click on Copy. Now it's going to say you have to paste this into Figma, so just open up your Figma, go into a design of yours. I'm going to go into this one over here, which is just a blank design I created a few seconds ago. And then when you're inside your design, just basically press Ctrl and V on your keyboard, and there we go. Your design is going to be pasted in here from Google Stitch directly into Figma, okay? You can edit it. As you can see, it's completely editable. You can click on everything over here. You'll be able to edit it, change it, whatever you want to do. So that's great about this, okay? Of course, as you can see here, everything I'm clicking on it, it's allowing me to edit it. Yeah, that's the first way. However, if you have like a file, so for example, let's say you have like multiple different screens, pages, whatever you want to call these here inside Google Stitch, you want to go to top left here and you want to click on those three lines and click on download project. This will download your project as a zip file. Then you want to go to over here into Figma. I'm going to go back to files and I'm going to create a new design, which I'm going to actually have over here. There we go. And it's right now, it's untitled. I'm just going to name this one Stitch. There we go. You can, of course, leave it whatever you want to do. Then you want to go to Google and type in Stitch to Figma. And then you can go to this first website, which is from Figma itself. And it's like a plugin. You'll see here in a second. It's going to open up a plugin from their community. There we go. And you simply want to click on Open In and you want to select your project. I'm going to open up Stitch. Make sure you are signed into Figma to be able to do this, of course. And then it's going to open up your project, in this case the one I just created, and it has now this plugin over here. You want to click on the run button and you should drag and drop in your zip file. So here I have it over here. I can just drag and drop it here and you'll see that it should now work. So if it doesn't drag and drop like this over here, if it just flashes, you just want to go to browse files and then you want to go and basically select your target platform and then select your zip file or HTML, whichever one you have. Click on here to browse it. Click on your zip file and click on open, and now this should work. It's going to start processing, and as you can see here, this is Stitch to Figma. It's going to show you all the code. You can preview HTML and image, then click on add all, and of course over here you can just add the screens to Figma, and that's essentially how you can do it. Whenever that's done loading, you'll see that it's been added in here. So those are the two ways you can actually do this. You can use whichever one you want. Both will work. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.